Hello again, welcome back to my channel. So let's start with my first hairstyle. At first, after combing and making side parting of my hair, I will take out front portion of my hair from both sides and will keep it away for a while. And then I will take a hair tie and will make a back low ponytail. After it, I will loose above the ponytail's hair so that it creates volume over the ponytail. Then by using my two hands, I will take front loose hair and after it I will twist them and will bring back of my head. And after crossing and wrapping the twisted hair above the ponytail, as you can see how I have just done it. Now I will take a small hair tie and will tie those twisted hair just under the ponytail. At last, I will just hide the previous hair tie by using the above twisted hair. And here is the look of my first hairstyle. Now it's second hairstyle. This time again, after making side parting of my hair, I will take out two sections from both sides. And after taking them back of my head, I will make knot of it. As after making only double knot of it, I will clip them from both of the sides by using two bobby clips. Here is the look of my second hairstyle. Now it's third hairstyle. As now I will at first gather half part of my hair like a half ponytail and then I will comb it nicely. After it, by taking a hair tie, I will tie it. As now I will just make an inside out topsy tail from it. And now I will take my remaining hair and by dividing them into two parts I will bring over the halfway of the top ponytail. And again I will tie a hair tie. I will insert my two fingers under the top ponytail and will pull through the lower ponytail from it. And here is the final look of my third hairstyle. Now it's fourth hairstyle. As now by taking a small portion of my hair from front, I will divide them into three strands and will start making a half Dutch braid. I will stop taking sections when I will reach at the point of my ear. And now without taking any sections, I will make Dutch braid a little bit more. Now by taking a tiny hair tie, I will tie my Dutch braid. At last, I will just loosen up my braid so that it brings volume to my Dutch braid. Here is the final look of my fourth hairstyle. is fifth hairstyle. This time, by taking a medium part of hair from one side of my parted hair, I will make a rope braid of it. After losing the front portion, I will clip it behind the back by using a bobby clip. Now, by bringing all of my hair to my one side, I will again make a rope braid. At last, by adjusting my front hair, I will loosen up my rope braid. And as now you can see how my fifth hairstyle actually looks like. Now it's sixth hairstyle. As by making side parting of my hair, I will take a small part of hair from both sides and will tie it just under my chin by using a tiny elastic. Then I will move it back of my head. Same like this way, I will again repeat the steps 2 more times, and each time I will tie my elastic 1 inch away from the previous one. As this is one of the simplest way to create a pretty style within couple of minutes. So do let me know that what do you think about all of my 6 back to school hairstyle into my comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye and see you next time.